Let me show you how to see your reposts on Instagram. There are two places to see those reposts. I'll walk you through both of those and how to see them and remove them if you choose to do so. Now let's open up the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android, and you can see a new repost button here. I can tap on it, and you might be wondering where I can see all of the photos and videos that I have reposted. Now you can find those in the settings of your Instagram app. And once you're in your activity of the settings of Instagram, you'll be able to see all of your reposts. It will show you all the photos and videos. We can just tap on any of these and we can choose to remove that repost just by tapping on that repost button again. Or you can just go through and hit select and select all of these if you wanted to, and then just hit delete, and it will remove all of your reposts. Keep in mind, it also might show up on your profile if you go all the way back. Sometimes it shows up directly here, but sometimes it chooses to disappear from here, so it's not as reliable.